Good morning from sunny, hot Palm Springs. It's just been beautiful here the last couple of days. Haven't really had a chance to shoot much. We've just been basically relaxing and kicking back. I just wanted to show you a little bit here about where we're staying in Palm Springs. This is an old school property. They only have 9 rooms. It's just beautiful. Very nicely landscaped. Pool area is very nice. It's always very quiet here. They don't, it's 21 and older, so there's never any children here. Going to take you over towards the bar area where they serve what they call Orbitinis every night at 4:30. Here's the bar area. You can also make yourself coffee here or whatever. And here they have a jacuzzi. This is very nice. So yeah, this is the Orbit Inn in Palm Springs. It's just about a 5-minute walk into downtown. All the restaurants and the bars. Great place to come and relax.